Rainbow.
Pitter patter, the rain came down, splashing puddles all over town. Teddy looked out and clapped with glee. A rainy day is the best for me. He grabbed his boots so big and bright, his yellow raincoat fit just right. An umbrella too, with dots of red. Let's go outside, the little bear said. Rainy days are full of fun, jumping, splashing one by one. With boots and coat we laugh and play. Hooray for Teddy's rainy day. The puddles dance beneath his feet. Splash, 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 a rhythmic beat. He spun around in a water swirl, a rainy adventure for every boy and girl. Raindrops fell with a plip and plop. Teddy twirled and wouldn't stop. A friendly frog jumped up to say, let's hop together and make a play. Rainy days are full of fun, jumping, splashing one by one. With boots and coat we laugh and play. Hooray for Teddy's rainy day. The sky was gray but Teddy felt bright. The rain was his friend, a pure delight. He saw a rainbow up so high, colors splashed across the sky. Look at that, Teddy shouted with cheer. Rainbows come when clouds disappear. He sang a song as he skipped along. The rain joined in, a natural song. The wind picked up, the drops fell fast, but Teddy stood strong till the storm had passed. He waved to the clouds as they drifted away. Thank you for the fun today. Back inside with a towel to dry, Teddy watched the sun in the clear blue sky. Rain or shine, it's always true. Adventures are fun with friends like you. Rainy days are full of fun, jumping, splashing one by one. With boots and coat we laugh and play. Hooray for Teddy's rainy day. So next time the rain comes down from the sky, grab your boots and give it a try. Like Teddy you'll see, come what may, rainy adventures brighten your day.